The purpose of this video is to provide field instruction for installation of Amphenol Custom Cable's 90-degree node connector. First, you'll want to unscrew the coupling nut from the elbow, insert your fibers into your node box as such, and then with your coupling nut, all you want to do is get it started and with a quarter turn rotation to get it seated to start. Then you will take your elbow and place it up next to the coupling nut and continue to screw it in a clockwise rotation until it's tight. Next, you'll take a 1-inch crescent wrench, or open-ended wrench in this case, and continue in a clockwise rotation and tighten it until it's firm. Then you want to take a 3/4 inch crescent wrench, and you're going to go to the lower or the smaller nut in the same direction, and you want to turn that clockwise as well until it's firm. And then you can position your node, your 90-degree node, into any position you want, tighten firmly, and it's installed.